Hello there. Welcome to another daily dose of aviation. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start. This jet engine compressor is being watched while it is running. Seems satisfying.
Wait. Okay. Just chuck. Okay, chuck.
Hey you, before I show you the last clip, in remembering you to like, subscribe and share the video if you want more videos like this. Thank you. And that's all the video. All the sources will be in the description. I upload videos every day if I can. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on if you are new in this channel and don't miss more videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.